can we nurture a child's ability to express themselves musically, visually, verbally, and physically through play? In Kindiedays' interactive online workshop, Diverse Expression Skills Through Playful Learning, we explore how art, music, and movement enhance children's linguistic, cognitive, and fine motor skills. These creative experiences also boost social skills and self-esteem. This 2.5-hour workshop, including Q&A, offers practical strategies and creative activities to help children express themselves through playful and engaging methods. Plus, your team will receive homework to implement these ideas in their classroom. Ready to inspire creative expression in your preschool?